Did you know that there was an old Jewish cemetery off Goffle Road in Hawthorne, New Jersey? Well, if you go behind there in the woods, there are tombstones lying around. Now, this is actually an old Dutch Jersey cemetery known as Holland Cemetery or Vermulen. The tombstones are inscribed with Jersey Dutch language, and it's in pretty disarray. The area hasn't been very kept up. Tombstones are broken from the storms, and there's erosion all around. So if you do come here, be mindful of this is a cemetery, and please pay respects to the people that have been buried here. I just hope that someone comes around and helps clean it up and, makes it look nice, because this is a real piece of New Jersey history. Anyway, enjoy, guys.